How to set stop loss on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can set stop loss on Robinhood. Now it's essential the step to save in your profit or to not make or to stop you from getting into much loss. So how you can set it up, right? Now first what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood application. You want to head into the particular stock detail page that you own, the stock that you wish to add the stop loss. So suppose you own a particular stock and you want to head into stock detail page. Now in my case I don't have the trade option because my account isn't verified, so you can see you can start investing there. So what you want to do is you want to tap on trade option, and there you can see buy and sell option, right? You want to simply tap on sell, and under sell what you want to do is you want to select the dollars option. At the top right you'll find the arrow down button, right? So you want to tap on it, and then what you want to do is you want to select the option, then conditional orders. Under conditional orders you want to select stop orders and then tap continue to proceed, and then set a fixed stop price below the current price of J&J or such, or the stock or a market sell is triggered when the stock falls to the stop price or lower. So simply tap and continue and add in your stop price, and then you can go ahead and add it. So you can review it and you can set it. So this way you can set it. Unfortunately I'm unable to show here because my account isn't verified, but that is how it works. You want to head into trade option, tap on sell, and then go ahead, and then once you do so you want to select the dollars option there. That will get the currency. Once you choose your currency there, and then you want to select the stop loss conditional. Under conditional options you'll find the stop loss options. You want to select it and you can add it. So this way, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.